Got the Mountain Dew. What's up, Joel? Oh, come on, that's all you gonna give me? What would Ricky do?
I'm gonna get started.
All right, you gonna get started. What up, Nick?
What's up?
All right, we're ready to catch some fish. Enjoy.
Yeah, boy, I tell you what.
Second one on a jig.
Largemouth.
Looks like I'm picking up the jig right now.
Well, I've just casted there. You got a rage straw on?
All right, let's go. How much water we're covering with 3 people?
Any good?
No.
Tell you what, boy. Here, you got
A
it.
new color.
I like it.
They're all about the same time.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Any good?
Nah, didn't even set the hook, dude. I just was reeling.
I'll net him up.
Net him up, Nick. Get some naked.
Good practice. Fighting one. He's a fighter. Look at that.
Let's get your double. Ooh.
It's not bad. Nick, remember that yellow spot on that one? That was insane.
Yes.
Here, I got it.
What do you call that? It's called a redneck tag. You don't have tags, so you just put a big yellow Sharpie and tag them like that.
Tell you what, boy.
That's him.
Dude, we could make our own tags and stuff. Is it worth it? Nope.
How many
Dang.
times they gonna spit your bait?
Oh, I missed that bite.
Don't worry, I got you. Big.
That's big. Oh, it's big.
I told you, Nick. Got him.
Dang it. Talking about.
Oh,
Holy. That's huge.
Holy
Dude,
cow.
that's a chunk.
Holy.
Dude.
Oh!
Get in there, boy. Give me some.
Yeah.
That was your fish.
Woo! I said I missed that
Copenhagen
bite.
mint. Woo!
That's a 6.
I said I missed that bite. Oh my gosh.
Choked it, dude.
I said, I got you, Nick.
Dang, that's all on
That's
video
awesome.
too. That's all on video. How did I miss that bite?
Choked it. That's a 6.
How do you miss that?
That's a picture fish right there, boy.
That's
Jeez.
Put it on the wall.
Jeez.
Should I hold it up to him? Woo! They already heard us.
Mystery. That's a fish.
Jeez.
Boom. That's a 5.5, 6.
That's a chunk.
Want to get a picture?
Let's get a peep. Nick's got one too.
Put that in this fish. Drop it in there.
Yeah. He basically eat it. Gosh, they're destroying them.
No, that was their golf ball. Golf ball.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
No.
5.15. Oh, 6 on the dot.
Really?
Nice.
See that right there?
Nice.
Oh, come on now.
Woo!
Can I release him?
Nah, let me release him. Gotta get him on the GoPro.
Kiss him.
Here we go.
Some underwater.
That right there's a fish.
That's
boy.
a chunk.
That's a chunk. All right, let him go, boy.
Here we go, boys.
Tournament choice.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
He ain't going nowhere. Check this thing
Nice. 3.5. Might be a 4.
Good, Nick.
again. Good, Nick. Goodness.
That looks so weird, dude. See that right there?
Tell you what, boy.
See that right there?
Choked it,
Boom.
boy.
Choking it. He looks so weird. He's
He's bleeding too.
Yeah, I hooked him in the freaking
Gill.
all the way in the
All the way in the back. That's what that one did. Somehow it came out. I don't know how. Do you need some pie?
Yeah.
I got you.
This guy might not live.
Here you go. Blood red.
They call natural slaw.
Hold him up, boy.
See that right there? Talking about it's large, man.
Ah, boy. He got a little Coach Pond gut on him too.
It's a giant. I'll tell you what.
What do you have to say about that?
Didn't get it done. I'll tell you what.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a while since I've posted, but I wanted to get this video to you guys. We were really excited about it, and we caught some really big fish this day, and we had a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching Jonah and the Fish. We'll see you next time.